How to clean your ps3. If you can see it, it's right there. But what I'm gonna do is take it off the wires and clean it. Give me a second. This is the fan for it. It's really dirty. Click this back on. Click back on and clean it. So what you want to do is grab and paintbrush and clean it like this. And get the little dirty stuff right underneath here, which is through these right there. I'm just filming through an LG phone. This one is real crappy, and right there it's all dust. So I'll clean this later, and I'll be getting new phone soon. If you click the like button and subscribe button. I'm really gonna get a flashlight. Found it. Give me a sec. Now you can see with the flashlight. So I'm flipping it over and show you again. There's dust right in there. So what you want to do is this. And that's how you clean it. And one more thing to do is clean this, the fan. Some ghetto flashlight to use. Now I'm gonna put the camera down. Take this fan out, and there you go. I got it off, and it's dirty inside. Now it's right there. I'm gonna take the little paintbrush and do this. This looks really crappy. I knew it. See? Right there. It's really dirty, so I'm gonna clean that. And that is pretty darn dirty. And make sure you clean out the wires from your PlayStation 3 so it won't get dirty and whatnot. Let me put the camera down. There you go. Where you have your stuff set up at, you just want to clean it. So everything that's dirty down there is really dirty. Give me a second. Ugh. This is really crappy. There you go. Got the little flashlight in there. And just sweep out the dust. And the little dust there. Some right there. And just clean up. And some of your waters too. If you can see that. And right there. There you go. And Wi-Fi wire. Right there. This is the Wi-Fi wire. So what you want to do is like this. And clean up. There you go. And hit the thumbs up button and smash it 124 likes. See ya.